Hello everyone, welcome to Eduplor. Are you dreaming of studying in Canada but feeling overwhelmed by the visa and immigration process? Look no further. This is the ultimate guide that will provide you with all the information and tips you need to successfully obtain a study permit and immigrate to Canada. We know that the process can be daunting, but we are here to make it easy and accessible. From eligibility requirements to post-graduation work permits, we've got you covered. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back and get ready to embark on the exciting journey to studying in Canada. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Types of student visas. The first step to studying in Canada is obtaining a student visa. There are two types of student visas. First is this study permit and then there is student visa. The study permit is required for any program of study that lasts longer than 6 months, while the student visa is required for any program that lasts less than 6 months. We will focus on the study permit as it is the more common type of visa for international students. Now let's quickly understand the eligibility. To be eligible for a study permit, you must meet certain requirements. These include being accepted into a Canadian institution, having enough funds to cover tuition and living expenses, and having no criminal record. You must also be in good health and pass a medical exam. Now let's move to application process and understand that. The application process for a study permit can be lengthy, so it is crucial to start early. You can apply online or by mail, and you will need to provide supporting documents such as the letter of acceptance, which is called as LOA, proof of funds and a passport. You will also need to pay processing fee and may be required to attend an interview. Processing time. Let's discuss this now. Processing times for study permits can vary depending on the country you are applying from and the time of year. It is important to check the processing times for your country and apply well in advance of your intended start date. You can check the status of your application online. Now let's quickly understand working while studying. How can you cope up with this? International students are allowed to work part-time while studying in Canada. To be eligible, you must have a valid study permit and be enrolled in a full-time program. You can work up to 20 hours per week during the school year and full-time during scheduled breaks. Post-graduation work permits. Now let's understand it. After completing your program of study, you may be eligible for post-graduation work permit. This permit allows you to work in Canada for up to 3 years after graduation. To be eligible, you must have graduated from a designated learning institution, DLI, and have a valid study permit at the time of application. Now let's move to immigration pathways. If you wish to study in Canada permanently after graduation, there are several immigration pathways available to international students. These include the Express Entry System, the Provincial Nominee Program, and the Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. Each program has its own requirements and eligibility criteria. Congratulations, you've completed the ultimate guide to navigating Canada's visa and immigration process for international students. We hope that this guide has provided you with all the information you need to successfully obtain a study permit and immigrate to Canada. Remember to start early, gather all necessary documents, and be patient throughout the process. Studying in Canada is an incredible opportunity, and we wish you all the best on your journey. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates regarding study abroad. Thank you for watching.